Welcome to Automation Tribe. Today I'm going to show you a powerful tool we've built, a YouTube video download API with segment cutting using yt-dlp and ffmpeg. This API allows you to download any YouTube video and optionally trim it to a specific segment using a simple JSON post request. The first step is to visit my community, Automation Tribe. Inside the classroom section, alongside all the automations I've shared, you'll also find a dedicated area for API endpoints. This particular API is available in both the paid community and the free community, so anyone can access it. Step 1. Upload the files. Download the API file and upload it to your server using cPanel's file manager. Once uploaded, go to the URL where the file is located. Step 2. Initial setup. The first time you open the URL, the script will automatically generate 2 folders. You'll see them appear as shown on the screen. Important notes. To make this work properly, your server needs to meet a few basic requirements. yt-dlp must be installed. ffmpeg must be installed. PHP's curl extension should be active. The output directories must be readable. If you're not sure how to check or install these, contact your hosting provider. They'll help you set it up. Let me show you a quick example of a common issue. I'm going to change the permissions of the yt-downloads folder to 555, which is not writable. Now, when I refresh the API URL, you'll see an error on the page. To fix it, I simply go back to the file manager, change the permissions back to 755, and everything works again. This API endpoint you're seeing is hosted on my server just for this tutorial. Once the video is done, I'll delete it. So please don't try to use this demo version in your automations. Now, let's head over to my N8N installation, where I'll walk you through how to use this API inside a simple workflow. I'll start by creating a new workflow and adding just 2 nodes. 1. A manual trigger. This allows us to test the workflow on demand. 2. An HTTP request node. This is where we'll connect to the YouTube download API. Go back to the API endpoint page, scroll down to the bottom, and copy the curl command provided in the documentation. In N8N, click on the HTTP request node, then choose Import from curl and paste the command you copied. This will auto-populate the node with the correct method, URL, headers, and body parameters. Now I'll paste the URL of one of my latest YouTube videos into the URL field. You'll also notice you can rename the downloaded file with a custom name. And most importantly, trim the video by specifying a start and end time. For this demo, I'll set start time to 80 seconds, end time to 95 seconds. This keeps the clip short, so we don't have to wait long, but you can enter any values you like depending on what part of the video you want to extract. Click Execute Workflow or Test Workflow to run it. Now, we wait a few seconds. Since my server is basic and used just for testing, it may take around 10 to 20 seconds for the video to process. Once the API returns a response, you'll see a direct URL to the trimmed video. Just copy that URL, paste it into your browser. And as you can see, the output video is ready. Once the API returns a response, you'll see a direct URL to the trimmed video. Just copy that URL, paste it into your browser. And as you can see, the output video is ready, trimmed to exactly the time range I selected. In future tutorials, I'll show you how to extract video transcriptions and use an LLM to automatically identify the right segment to download based on the content. You'll simply extract a portion of the transcript and let the API download only that part of the video for you. Remember, this API is available in both the free and paid Automation Tribe communities. You'll also find many other ready-to-use API endpoints inside the community, with more being added regularly. Also, inside the paid community, you get access to all my automation workflows, not just the API endpoints. Right now, there are over 26 powerful automations, and they're not just basic setups. They're advanced, time-saving workflows that can transform how you work. Because of the growing value, I'll be increasing the price soon. So if you've been thinking about joining, now is the best time to get in before the price goes up. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and join the community. Your support helps me keep creating new automations and tools you can use right away.